Today we're making this delicious pork chili verde. We have to start at the store, 3 in fact. Trader Joe's, Santa Cruz Market, and Vaughn's. We start with 1.5 pounds of tomatillos. Rinse those off after removing the husk. Slice those in half and place them on a foil-lined baking sheet with 5 garlic cloves. Roast under your broiler for about 10 minutes until you see some charring happening on the tomatillos. While that's happening, roast 2 poblano peppers. I do them over an open burner until they're charred. Place those in a plastic bag and seal so they steam for a few minutes. This will make cleaning them much easier. Remove the seeds, stem, and rough chop 2 jalapeno peppers. Do the same to your poblano peppers and place all of these peppers into a blender. Add your roasted garlic and tomatillos, 1 bunch of cilantro, and some salt. Blend that until smooth and taste for seasoning. You gotta taste everything. That's good. For the pork, we're using a 4-pound pork loin. Remove excess fat, the silver skin, and cut into 1 to 2 inch cubes. Place in a bag with a teaspoon of neutral oil, salt, and pepper. Mix this, ensuring all the meat is well coated. Heat a Dutch oven or large pot over medium-high heat. Once hot, add your meat in batches. Don't crowd the pot. Get a sear on all sides of the meat and set it on a sheet tray. We aren't worried about the meat being cooked through right now. Chop 2 medium onions and 4 cloves of garlic. Add your onions to the rendered pork fat in your pan. Add the garlic after a few minutes and make sure you don't burn the garlic. It only needs to cook for about 30 seconds or so, or until you smell it. Once you smell the garlic, add your pork and all your juices back to the pan along with your chili verde sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped oregano along with 3 cups of a good chicken stock.
Yeah, that smells amazing. I love chili verde, by the way.
Say that louder. It'll be a good dinner. Check out these chunks. Give that a stir, bring it to a boil. Once you have it at a boil, partially cover and turn it down to a simmer. Stir occasionally for the next 3 to 4 hours. Yeah, good food takes time. And your kitchen will smell like you know what you're doing. To serve, give yourself a couple of healthy spoonfuls, toss in some fresh cilantro if you want, and get a warm flour tortilla. So good. A little bit of tortilla. Yeah. That's good right there. You should probably make this. All right. We'll see you later. Cook, eat, repeat.